As for the new gems that have recently been introduced, Cardano seems to never stop upgrading its system. So in this video, we'll share with you these 5 new Cardano gems that will skyrocket the price of Cardano ADA. Come on, let's get started. Welcome to Cardano News. If you want to win 200 free ADA, see the comments section below and join our giveaway. The Cardano blockchain is currently being used for a variety of interesting projects, ranging from DeFi apps to NFT to gaming platforms. In terms of market capitalization, Cardano currently stands at over $63 billion and Ethereum stands at $514 billion. Whether Cardano rises and its smart contract platform starts to take off, or whether some of these platforms will win are up for grabs. Also, Cardano is for those who missed out on Ethereum, Uniswap, and all these things, and you now have a great chance with Cardano as they're going down the same path. It's time to dig in and let's see the first one, which is Sundayswap. So the Sundayswap exchange runs on the Cardano blockchain, giving it the same design as Uniswap. It isn't the only decentralized exchange, but this one looks like the best and it is slated to launch in mid-October, and you can stake your ADA here as well. They've even dubbed it similar so people don't get confused, which is exactly what you'd expect from a Uniswap. You can see that they've published their roadmap on their website and you can see their tokenomics here. And they've made 55% available to the public, the team owns 25%, and advisors hold 2%. And investors hold 13%. Evidently, the academics have chosen the Cardano blockchain because it provides a more stable and secure environment. Also, we know that a decentralized exchange will be possible on the Cardano blockchain, but we need to identify which one it will be. Next, let me introduce you to ADA. Now that ADA is a stablecoin protocol, they meant it to be a DUSD, a very similar digital currency to Tether, which is a stablecoin by Circle. Here, you can use your ADA as collateral for your trading and you will be able to receive back DUSD. Similarly, the system is impartial and immune to fluctuations in the market. Despite Gary opposing the SEC chair, talking about stabilizing coins, it's quite clever they're presenting a more stable and unbiased approach. In addition, the company maintains that its proposal is not susceptible to market fluctuations, as well as the rehypothecation issue, which has been thoroughly discussed. Then, in a time of panic where investors recall their loans and create a domino effect, stable coins are perceived as a risk because they can skew the market. Because of this, it's important to have a store of value that's immune to market fluctuations. So would it be interesting to learn more about how they set up their DUSD? Do they follow the rules correctly, or do they adopt it widely? ADA tokens may also be bought as a way of betting on this project, which is also used for governance, but if you stake that coin, you may also earn rewards in ADA. So that's another Cardano gem, and looking at history, we know the best things happen on great platforms with a stable coin protocol. Cardano would not be where it is today without the money locked in these gems, just like Ethereum wouldn't exist without Tether and USDC. Next, we'll move on to something a little different, and we'll take a look at the next gem, which is Meld. Meld serves as a DeFi stack for banking, so the team is trying to make it the all-encompassing Cardano DeFi stack. So again, to compare this to the Ethereum RV, the opportunity in the Cardano space now belongs to those of you who missed the Ethereum RV in the early days. Since they're doing the same thing, you can lend or borrow from your ADA and even keep your keys, which is pretty cool. One of Meld's distinct qualities is that they claim you can borrow using your fiat currency as well, although you will have to follow KYC and AML guidelines. And also, it's worth pointing out that Meld Finance has plans to build a bridge with Polygon. For those familiar with Polygon, it's a big project that has been around for many years, so adding this feature would greatly enhance the impact of Meld. So we'll keep an eye on Meld, and you can see their project roadmap on their website and see when they plan on setting up this cryptocurrency wallet. And we should be watching them in Q3 when they will have support for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. Furthermore, there will be a whole bunch of things happening in Q4, such as the launch of their rewards token, their merge token, and starting with the dApps. Also, this is a huge roadmap by Meld Finance, which also consists of a large team, not just a few people. Their project has just started, but you can see that they're backed by some big partners, including Polygon, which was just mentioned. Theos is the next NFT gem I've chosen because I know you want to see an NFT game. They say that Theos is the DeFi's paradise when it comes to NFTs, and I think that they're making it reasonably easy to mint NFTs. Therefore, you can drag and drop your photos, videos, podcasts, memes, collectibles, and anything else that you'd like into the green space. Thus, you can mint your own NFTs by dragging and dropping there. Additionally, there is an NFT liquidity pool, which allows you to deposit your NFT and withdraw money from it. During the time your NFT sits there appreciating its value, you can, hopefully, if bought the right NFT, and use it as collateral to get a loan. We know that the NFT space will be led by a project that might not necessarily be Theos. But again, this is the kind of gem we need to be looking at if we're going to bet on Cardano for NFT, because this is another exciting and interesting project. So for the number 5 gem is CardStarter, which is the first Cardano-based insured project accelerator. Apparently, you've seen this several times on various platforms, including Ethereum and many other platforms where you could invest early in projects. And it is indeed possible to do that through CardStarter on Cardano's blockchain. As you can see on their site, this is the first project that has an insurance fund, so this sets CardStarter apart. In addition, their community backers are covered from financial losses associated with DeFi exploits. There's some fantastic backing in place, including BitBoy Crypto, which you'll recognize from YouTube. In addition to buying CardStarter tokens, you can also purchase the token on Uniswap, but you'll need to stake 100 card coins in order to participate, so this is one of the downsides. This might be quite expensive for some people, considering it's about $11.05 for a card at the moment. In addition to this, we need to look at accelerators that will be important to launch a number of great development projects on Cardano. And, as we have seen, a lot of great accelerators in the past. In addition, many dApp builders are flocking to Cardano in order to build on the platform due to their large user base and the presence of the community. Thus, platforms like these will naturally succeed since they provide a platform for them to reach a large early adopter user base and get started with their idea. And when you look at it, you're going to go put it on a platform which is secure and it has a good community base and low fees, and a lot of projects are actually starting to think about moving across to Cardano. And that's why Cardano is building a bridge from ERC tokens to their token protocol. Hence, you'll see many projects shifting over time, since gas fees are merely prohibiting people to play games, since you won't have to pay $100 in gas fees every time you play, which ruins the experience. This is why, as a dApp owner, you want to move to Cardano where the fees are reasonable and the speed, security, and scalability are great. Although they've had a run-up, Cardano has a loyal community base that's been around for quite some time. Nevertheless, I'll be honest with you and let you know that this big community can have its pros and cons, as we saw with the MinSwap controversy and the UTXO problems. Also, having a huge audience and a huge community is something Cardano is doing on a big stage, and as a result, this massive audience and community will naturally put a huge strain on these dApp builders, on their servers, and on the physical structure they are building. Here, they are launching their dApps rather than building with a small audience and grow organically. With these 5 Cardano gems, you also have the option of conducting research about them, but I believe we still have a long way to go on these projects, and this will make the ADA price skyrocket. Don't forget to join the giveaway. Look in the comments section on what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.